Hi, I'm Akila Grant. Welcome to our channel, DIY Power Couple. In this video, we're going to show you how we transformed our kitchen countertop as part of our kitchen makeover. We hope that you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, you can DIY too.
We started with plain white laminate countertops with rounded edges
And ended with a gray textured finish.
These are the products we used to achieve this look. Laminate countertops can expand at the seams due to water exposure. We used wood filler in the gaps to unify the sections.
We used primer on the particle board underneath as a protective layer against further water damage.
Once the wood filler dried, we sanded the surfaces and corners to give the appearance of one piece.
We chose to use Rust-Oleum Countertop paint as our base coat instead of the primer because of its antimicrobial protection.
This was the first time we painted a countertop, and we were impressed with how it looked after the first coat. Take this towel, squish it up like that. I'm going to dab it. Like that. Keep dabbing. It's going to be thousands of little dabs that I'm going to do. When you do a little smear and not just a full dab, and you take and wrap this up and Doesn't matter how you do it. And you do the same thing with the white. And you dab it in here as much as you can over the gray. And then you kind of smear it a little bit as well in certain areas. It begins to, when it dries, add more of the dark color. Like that. This. That. Oh yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. Add some of the pearl white in here. Squirt that. That is a nice looking color. It is beautiful what it will do to a plain countertop that has been nicely done. Okay.
During the second coat, we noticed streaks coming from the foam brush. We changed to a mini roller, which gave us a smoother finish.
This budget-friendly DIY saved us so much money. We updated our countertops instead of replacing them, and it turned out real nice.
Thank you for watching, and if you like more videos like these, please subscribe to our channel.